Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out for profits or just shuffling your portfolio, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitmart account. If you haven't already, head to the Bitmart website or app and enter your credentials. Security is key here, so double-check that you're on a secure connection. Always use two-factor authentication if available. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section. Look for the Assets or Wallets tab and find your Dogecoin balance. In 2025, Bitmart might have some updated interfaces, but it should still be intuitive. Click on Dogecoin to select it, then hit the Withdraw button. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the destination details. Next, grab your Uphold wallet address. Log into your Uphold account, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which could be around 1 to 2% depending on the blockchain. Before you confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any estimated fees or processing times. In 2025, withdrawals might be faster with improved blockchain tech, but it could still take 10 to 30 minutes. Once you're good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your security measures. And just like that, your Dogecoin is on its way. Keep an eye on your Uphold account to confirm the deposit. If you run into any issues, Bitmart's support or Uphold's help center can assist. Thanks for watching. Crypto can be exciting, but always stay safe. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.